Let's solve problem 7 of Leetcode 75 series. Product of array except self. Given an integer array nums, return an array answer such that answer I is equal to the product of all the elements of nums except nums I. You must write an algorithm that runs in big O of n time and without using the division operation. Let's check this example out. We are given an array nums with 1 at index 0, 2 at index 1, 3 at index 2, and 4 at index 3. We have to return an array in which element at index I is equal to the product of all the elements of nums except at that index. So for index 0, we will multiply 1, 2, 3 and leave out the product element at 1. So it will be 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and we will store 24 in the output array. And for the index at 1 position, we will multiply element at 0 position, 2 position, 3 position, and leave out the element at 1 position. So it will be 1 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12. And similarly, for the index 2 position, we'll multiply element at 0, 1, and 3, which is 1 into 2 into 4, which is equal to 8. And again, for the last element, we'll multiply all the elements but the last element, 1, 2, 3, which is equal to 6. Now, how are we going to solve this question? Let me show you with this example. We have an array 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. What we will do is we'll find the left prefix and we will also find right prefix. What that means is for every element, let's suppose 5 element, we'll find the multiplication of all the elements to the left, that will be left prefix for index 2, and then we will find the right prefix, which will be the multiple product of all the elements to the right of 5, which will be the right prefix. And similarly, we'll find left prefix for 6, right prefix for 6, left prefix for 1, and right prefix for 1. And obviously, right prefix for 1 will be 1. And for left prefix for 3 will be 1. Let's solve it using Python now. We will initialize two arrays, left prefix, right prefix, and all the elements of left prefix and right prefix we will initialize to 1. And similarly, we will do for right prefix is equal to initialize it to all the elements to 1 into len nums length. Now we'll find the left prefix and right prefix of all the elements. Let's find left prefix for each element. Left for I in range. Now you will notice we have to traverse from one position because the left prefix of first element is going to be 1 and we have already initialized it to 1, so we don't have to worry about that. For I in range 1 comma len nums minus 1. And now sorry, it shouldn't be minus 1, it should be just plus 1, and we can just leave it as it is. It will by default increment it by 1. What we will do is left prefix I is equal to left prefix I minus 1 into nums I minus 1. So what it will do is we would already be knowing the left prefix of the prior element, and we can just multiply to it the prior element and it should give us the left prefix of the current element. And similarly for the right prefix for I in the range, now we will start from the end, so it will be len nums minus 2. Why minus 2? Because we don't want to calculate the right prefix for last element, we already know it's 1, and we will go to minus 1 and decrement it by minus 1. Right prefix I is equal to right prefix I plus 1 here multiplied by nums I plus 1. Now After we have found the left prefix and right prefix, now it is the time for our result array, which we will initialize again to 1 into len nums. And for this array, what we will do is we will just multiply left prefix and right prefix for every element. Let's do it. For I in range, len nums, res I is equal to left prefix I multiplied by right prefix I. And now we can just return the result array. Let's try it out. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you in the next one.